Up to my neck. Oh, dread. That's stupid. I like my little rabbit. Oh, Mr. Rabbit has a habit that is very cute to see. The wrinkle up, the crinkle up, his little nose at me. I like my little rabbit, and I like his little brother, and we have a lot of fun making brush. Quick, buy any other one. Wonder what the rush is? We need to buy a brush to brush all the brushes. This is a whack. If you don't turn the faucet off tight when you're done in the bathtub, you'll be wasting water. Also, the sink might fill up and overflow in the food in the bathroom, and then the bathroom would fill up and overflow, and food in the bedroom and all over the clothes would get soaking wet. And when you wore them, you'd catch a horrible cold to have to stay home from school, and you could learn anything or see your friends. And after you'd miss school long enough, all your friends would forget you, and you would be so sad and wet. You'd probably just stay in bed wearing your sad wet clothes with your sad wet head on your sad wet jaw until you just shivered up and